When you open the box, you will get a whole assembled writing machine, a magnetic ruler, and a plastic bag. Take out the white box. Open the box. There is an adapter in it. The rest in the bag is a pen, a capacity pen, a USB cable, and 4 magnetic blocks. The USB cable is used to connect the writing machine and the computer. This is an adapter. Untie the adapter's wire. Insert the plug end into the plug board. Insert the round end into the writing machine. For the US cable, the square end connect the writing machine. The other end connect the computer. When we install the pen, we need to cut the strap, which is used to fix the pen clip during the transportation. Now we start to install the pen. The distance between the pen point and the paper is around 3 to 5 mm. If the distance is difficult to be measured for you, you can put the ruler under the pen point. The ruler thick is around 5 mm. After fixing the pen, remove the ruler. We can push the pen up and down, left and right with our hands. Push the pen to the left top corner of the writing area. Zoom in, you can see the black point, which is pen's correct position. Please remember, align the paper with the horizontal or vertical lines on the writing board. The paper is placed correctly. The letter won't be crooked. Next, we need to fix the paper. We clip the paper with clip and put magnetic blocks or ruler on the paper.